able to get close enough to Groucho to trim his tusks if he were a wild elephant, but he's not. And so they trimmed his tusks and they kind of opened those tusks up because Groucho's trunk was kind of pinned in between his tusks when they were crossed. Not that he couldn't use his trunk, he could, but it just took him much longer to weave his trunk out. I mean, look at what he's doing right now. He wouldn't have been able to do that, obviously, if his trunk was crossed. He would have to weave his trunk all the way down.